Welcome Ubuntu users. I came across a problem with Ubuntu 22.04, which is every time I open software and updates, I get an error that says, an error occurred while searching for drivers. I searched on Google for a solution to this problem to no avail. So I decided to uninstall, reinstall Ubuntu software properties and it worked. Let's do it now. First, before doing anything, you have to back up all your data, and take a snapshot of your Ubuntu system with timeshift. When you are ready, enter the following command in the terminal. This is to remove software and updates package. A list of all executed commands will be listed in the video description. Sudo apt remove software-properties-gtk and press enter. Wait until it has finished. And now enter the following command to reinstall software and updates package. Sudo apt-get install software-properties-gtk and press enter. After you finish installing the software and updates package, enter this command, sudo apt-update. Now let's check software and updates package to see if the error message has gone. Well, it is gone, but we can notice that there are no additional drivers available. Please write in the comments why do you think there are no additional drivers available. Could it be because all drivers of this PC are updated? Well, thanks for watching. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.